Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel Best Jewel Collection. Friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very attractive and a very beautiful collection of bracelets for you. And I hope that you like this beautiful and very stunning fashion video of my channel also. So guys, as you can see that it's a very attractive and a very different collection of my channel. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos. And thank you so much for your love and for your support. And I hope that inshallah next time I'll bring the exact fashions for you. And I hope that you like the fashion videos too. So please subscribe to my channel. Please keep liking and keep sharing my all videos. And thank you so much for your love and for your support as well. And if you want to see any of the fashion videos, I've told you before, so you can tell me in the comment box. So inshallah next time I'll bring the exact fashion for you. And I hope that you like this beautiful fashion video also. And basically I'm telling you the exact meaning of a bracelet. We all know that the origin of the term bracelet is from the Greek, and in my latest and in my previous videos you can see such different characteristics of bracelet as well. And we all know that a bracelet is also a small brace or bracer and an arm guard used by archers also. So guys, there are many types of bracelets as I told you before. So you can see in my previous videos, you can see such different ideas and the history of bracelets and the history of jewelry also. So my videos are beneficial for you because in my videos you can see such different ideas and such different characteristics and much more about their accessories and much more about fashion ideas. So guys, if you're interested and you are enjoying this beautiful video of my channel, subscribe to my beautiful channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos. And thank you so much for your love and for your support, and I hope that inshallah next time I'll bring the exact fashions for you. And if you want to see any fashion videos, so I don't have any issue, you can tell me in the comment box that you want to see this or you want to see that. Just tell me, so inshallah next time I'll bring the exact fashion for you. Even if you want to see a tutorial video of any jewelry, of any bracelet, so you can tell me. And if you want to know about a market that where these are available or any type of questions, you can tell me in the comment box. As I told you that my channel is beneficial for you because I tell you such characteristics and I tell you the different and very different characteristics and different types of that item. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family as well, and remember me in your special and beautiful prayers. Okay, inshallah, hope to see you soon guys. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. See you. Bye.